Hello, we're back. In episode 56, I said we'd be talking about the port of Invader to the Thumby Color, programmed in MicroPython using the Thonny editor. Back in episode 22, I showed Invader on the Thumby, a tiny Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 base game machine. Now TinyCircuits has released the Thumby Color with a dual-core Raspberry Pi RP2350 and full-color screen. As you can see, the original Thumby was modeled on the Game Boy, and the Thumby Color has been modeled on the Game Boy Advance. I'm running Ubuntu on my Raspberry Pi 5. I prefer the windowing system to the stock Pi OS. Here's our sprites, icon for the menu system, sounds, and the code. Let's open our code in Thonny. We can connect our Thumby Color via USB and just click on the play button to send it to the device. I have a bonus feature. The last episode I showed my version of Invader on the Atari 2600 programmed in assembly using the DASM assembler and Visual Studio Code on my PC. I've also set up the same development environment here on my Raspberry Pi. Let's take a look. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find them. This video brings me up to 57 episodes in total. So, next episode I will be showing a port of Invader to low-res NX in BASIC using the Notepad++ editor and low-res NX BASIC. That about wraps up episode 56 of my journey in game programming. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or suggestions you may have that could make these a better experience. Until then, bye. I'll talk to you next time.